Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is Essay on Culture of Integrity for Nation's Prosperity in English. Integrity is a fundamental value that shapes the character of individuals and societies. It encompasses honesty, transparency, and moral fortitude, serving as the bedrock upon which trust is built. For nations, a culture of integrity is not merely an ethical idea, it is a crucial driver of prosperity. This essay explores the profound impact of integrity on governance, economic development, social cohesion, and international relations, arguing that fostering a culture of integrity is essential for sustainable national progress. The role of integrity in governance. At the heart of a prosperous nation is effective governance, which is inextricably linked to integrity. When leaders and public officials uphold ethical standards, it promotes accountability and reduces corruption. Corruption undermines public trust, diverts resources from essential services, and stifles economic growth. In contrast, nations characterized by high level of integrity in governance attract foreign investment as business seeks stable and predictable environments. For instance, countries like Singapore and New Zealand, known for their low corruption levels, enjoy high level of investment and robust economic performance. Moreover, integrity in governance fosters civic engagement and participation. When citizens trust their leaders, they are more likely to engage in the democratic process, participate in community initiative, and contribute to societal well-being. This active participation enhances the quality of governance and ensures that policies reflect the needs and aspirations of the populace. As citizens see their values and concerns being addressed, the social contract between the government and its people strengthens, leading to a more cohesive and stable society. Economic development and integrity. The link between integrity and economic prosperity is well documented. A culture of integrity facilitates fair competition, encourages entrepreneurship, and enhances productivity. When businesses operate in an environment where rules are applied consistently and transparently, they can innovate and grow without fear of unfair practices or exploitation. This leads to a more dynamic economy where job creation and wealth generation thrive. Conversely, nations plagued by corruption and ethical lapses often experience economic stagnation. Resources are siphoned away from public goods into private hands, and the cost of doing business increases due to bribes and unethical practices. The World Bank has estimated that corrupt practices can increase the cost of infrastructure projects by 20 to 30%. Such inefficiencies hinder development and exacerbate poverty, creating a vicious cycle that is difficult to break. Integrating integrity into economic frameworks also encourages sustainable development as societies become more conscious of ethical practices. They are more likely to prioritize environmental sustainability and social responsibility. Companies that adhere to ethical standards are more inclined to invest in sustainable practices which ultimately benefits society and the economy. Social cohesion and integrity. A culture of integrity fosters social cohesion, which is vital for national prosperity. When citizens perceive their society as fair and just, they are more likely to trust one another and work collaboratively towards common goals. This sense of trust is essential for social stability as it reduces conflict and enhances community resilience. In contrast, societies marked by corruption and lack of integrity often experience Fragmentation, distrust between different groups can lead to social unrest as marginalized communities may feel excluded from the benefit of governance and economic opportunities. A culture of integrity promotes inclusivity, ensuring that all members of society have a voice and a stake in the nation's prosperity. Programs aimed at promoting integrity can enhance social justice, reduce inequality, and contribute to a more equitable distribution of resources. International relations and integrity. On the global stage, integrity plays a crucial role in shaping a nation's relationships with others. Countries that embody integrity in their foreign policy and international dealings are more likely to foster positive relations and collaborations. Nations that engage in transparent and ethical diplomacy are better positioned to form alliances, attract international partners, and participate in global governance effectively. Moreover, countries known for their integrity tend to have a stronger influence in international organizations. They are often seen as leaders in advocating for human rights, environmental sustainability, and fair trade practices. By championing integrity on the world stage, nations not only enhance their own standing but also contribute to a more stable and cooperative international system, fostering a culture of integrity. Building a culture of integrity requires a multifaceted approach involving education, leadership, and institutional reform. Education systems must prioritize ethical values, teaching the importance of integrity from a young age. By installing these values in future generations, societies can create a lasting commitment to integrity. Leadership is equally crucial. Leaders must model integrity in their actions and decisions, demonstrating that ethical behavior is non negotiable. When leaders are held accountable and demonstrate transparency, they set a standard for others to follow. Institutional reforms that promote checks and balances, whistleblower protections, and anti corruption measures are essential to create an environment where integrity can flourish. Civil society also plays a vital role in promoting integrity. Non governmental organizations and grassroots movement can advocate for transparency, hold leaders accountable, and educate citizens about their rights and responsibilities. By fostering an engaged and informed citizenry, societies can create a robust culture of integrity that permeates all aspects of life. In conclusion, a culture of integrity is not just an ethical aspiration, it is a prerequisite for national prosperity. By promoting integrity in governance, economic development, social cohesion, and international relations, nations can pave the way for sustainable growth and stability. Fostering a culture of integrity requires commitment from all sectors of society, but the rewards, greater trust, enhanced economic performance, and social harmony are well worth the effort. Ultimately, integrity is the foundation upon which prosperous nations are built, guiding them towards a brighter and more equitable future. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.